Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you a new poem, The Brook, written by Lucy Diamond. Now, before I could start with this poem, I would like to ask you a question. What is a brook? A brook is a small flow or a small stream of water which starts its journey from the hills or from the mountains and then flows into big rivers. So before I could, now please pay attention while I read and explain the poem. I like to watch the merry brook. Now the poet or the speaker, she likes to watch this happy stream or the small flowing flow of water that has started its journey from the hills and mountains and going to meet other river, going to meet a bigger river, going rippling on its way. Now going rippling on its way means while it's flowing, it is making gentle waves on the water. Going rippling on its way means the flow of water is making small waves, beautiful small waves on the water. It sings me such a happy song. Now the word it sings or the lines referred to over here is it sings me such a happy song is while flowing, the sweet and melodious song of that water is delighting the speaker. It's making the speaker happy. When the speaker hears the sweet and melodious song of that water, it makes the speaker happy all through the summer day. Now all through the summer day, it's summertime and the speaker is lying on the lush green grass and observing or seeing or looking at that small brook, the small flow or the small stream of water which started its journey from the hills and mountains. It tells me tales of many things. Now the speaker is imagining or speaking to the brook, or the speaker is imagining or speaking to the brook, or the brook is telling the speaker tales of its journey from where it started. Now, from where did this brook start? It started its journey from the hills and mountains, passing lush green trees, forests, hills, valleys and plateaus, flowing through lush green forests, hills, valleys and plateaus. It's telling the story from where it started its journey. As I lie on the grass, as on the grass I lie. Now the speaker is lying on the grass, it's a summer day, she's observing the small stream or the small river, and she's trying to imagine what the brook or from where the brook has started its journey. About the hills from which it came and where it goes and why. Now over here as it's referred, about the hills from where it came. It started its journey from the hills, flowing through lush green trees, forests, hills, valleys, plateaus, and where is it going and why? Where is it going? Where is the small stream or the small river going? The small river is going to meet a big river and flow into the big river. And if I had a tiny boat, a sail I would go. Now the speaker is imagining if I had a tiny boat. Now the speaker is thinking if she had a boat, she would have sailed on that boat and go and see where this brook is going to end or where is this brook going to meet. Where is which river is it going to meet? Is it going to meet a bigger river or more smaller river? So now the speaker is imagining and thinking about that. A sailing I would go and hasten with the brook to join the rivers deep and slow. Now hasten with the brook to join. Over here, this word is referred to as going and meeting other small brooks and to the river where it's going to flow. Now the poet is thinking or imagining if she had a boat, she would have sat on that boat and sailed with that boat and met other small brooks and streams, and then went and joined or flowed into the big river where the brook is going to end its journey, and thereon it's going to go to the sea. I hope so, children. This is the poem. You have understood it. Thank you. Please read the poem for better understanding.